Welcome, scholars and learners. Whether you're diving into academic research for the first time or looking to sharpen your reading skills, this tutorial will guide you through effective strategies to understand and analyze scholarly texts. Scholarly articles can seem daunting at first. They're packed with complex ideas and dense language. Don't worry, by breaking down the reading process into manageable parts, you can master these texts. Let's explore the 3-pass method, a proven strategy to enhance your understanding. The first pass is your initial skim, spending about 5 to 10 minutes to get a general idea of the article. Start by reading the title, the abstract, and any headings. Skim the introduction and the conclusion. Look at the references briefly. Are there familiar names? This pass helps you decide if the article is relevant to your research. Next, the second pass. This is where you dive a little bit deeper. Examine figures, tables, and charts. Review the methodologies and mark any unfamiliar references for further reading. By the end of these passes, you should understand the main arguments and the evidence presented. The third and final pass is the most detailed. Now focused on understanding complex arguments and the author's conclusions. Spend time on each section, especially those relevant to your study. It's about connecting the dots between the data and the claims made. While using the 3-pass method, keep in mind the structure of scholarly articles. Each discipline will have a different format, but the sciences and social sciences generally include an introduction, literature review, methodology, results, and discussion. Each part has its own importance and should be approached with a tailored strategy. Remember, effective scholarly reading is not just about understanding what is written, it's about critical engagement. Ask yourself, what is the purpose of this study? Do I agree with the conclusions? What further research could be conducted? And there you have it. With practice, these strategies will become second nature, transforming how you read and interact with scholarly texts. Dive into your next article with confidence and curiosity. Happy reading!